Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on Doge, ZOM, VPER, BRQS, and Ethereum Classic. So those are a few stocks and cryptos that I've spoken about on my channel, and I just wanted to give a quick update. I'm currently unable to make a video like I used to because I live in North Texas and we've been out of power for about 4 days now. It's getting quite ridiculous, and we're just trying to get by. Really, the house is inside the house is below freezing. So I come to the car every now and then to charge phones and stuff, and then trying to keep the kids safe and all that. So yeah. So today's video is just a quick update on these four stocks, and hopefully everything is back to normal, and I can be showing you my screens of some of the due diligence I've done and the research and all that. So today I'm just gonna do a quick touch up of the stocks and cryptos. So let's start with ZOM. So ZOM, everything is on track for ZOM. Nothing has changed. Everybody's expecting big news in March. We had the early run, and some people decided to take profits. People who got in below $1 decided to take profits at $2.50, and it's very understandable. And now, after the profit taken, it's going to find a floor, and I think it's very close to the floor. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. Tomorrow might be the floor, and once it finds the floor, then it's going to be the next phase of people who now start loading up towards the March news. And that one might also peak prematurely, maybe early March, and there might be some profit taking again. And then we'll find another floor and then move on. So ZOM is still fine. ZOM is still fine. If it dips below $2, I'm gonna grab some more. But if it doesn't, I'll just leave the shares that I have and keep a close eye on it, getting close to the March. All right. Next, let's talk about Doge. I know a lot of you are here for Doge. All right. So Doge is interesting. Doge, right now, there's not much of a hype, and I'm not too happy about Elon's tweet and all that. I feel like Doge should be left alone to do its thing, and having Elon's tweet manipulate the price, I don't like that. But Doge has shown to be able to hold its own with or without Elon. So that's looking good. And personally, I have a price of range of 49.04948. If it falls below 4948, I might grab a few more. But if it doesn't, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. All right. Next, let's talk about VPER. So VPER has been the hero, and now it's not doing very well. Well, it's very simple. VPER is still a great company, very great company, but the investors want to see it go current. They want to see the news that, hey, we are current. They don't care about whatever news it releases. But VPR keeps releasing all these PR news talking about forward-looking projects, but not talking about whether they are going current or not. People want to see that filing so that they are fully legitimate. So, I mean, when I first called VPR on this channel, we went up 400%, and now we've lost more than half of those gains. And just like I keep telling you guys, man, you got to be learning to take profits along the way. But VPR, I'm keeping a close eye on it too. If it does dip below, let's say 0.02, I am definitely grabbing some more. So that's VPR for you. All right. Now let's talk about BRQS. So BRQS, I would say, is kind of like the big boy in this set because it's one of the solid stocks we have. Very solid stock. Okay, BRQS. 17% is owned by institutions. Sorry, I keep looking out. There's a car, and it's pretty late out, so I'm trying to make sure everything is fine. So yes, BRQS, right? 17% is owned by institutions, right? And In fact, it's a blockchain play. It's a 5G play. It's uh in fact, it could possibly experience some short squeeze. That's why I spoke about that uh about 2 weeks ago when I made the video about BRQS. And when I first made a video about BRQS, it was $1.40. Now it's right around $2.90. It actually hit $3 for a while. So that's BRQS. Okay. Now, finally, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, like I said, Ethereum Classic, nothing has changed about Ethereum Classic. The whole Bitcoin market started going down. And oh yes, before I continue about Ethereum Classic, let me go back to BQRS 1 second. So BRQS, I keep saying BQRS. BRQS, the company name is BRQS, guys. So BRQS, um BRQS is look, I cannot edit this video, so every break, everything is gonna be in here, guys. I'm sorry. So BRQS, because Bitcoin is having a great time, BRQS is gonna have a great time too. Okay, so that's another thing about BRQS. Now, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, again, nothing has changed. The whole altcoin market experienced a lot of red in the past couple of days, and you know, that's just what happens in altcoin market. But since the big brother since the big brother Bitcoin is doing very well, it's going to spill over into the altcoin market. It always happens all the time. When Bitcoin rises, what happens is that it's going to lead into an altcoin season. So now this is not the time to panic or anything. This is just the time for cryptocurrencies to shine. Really, Bitcoin is about 50,000, and that's going to have a ripple effect on so many other things. So in short, I just wanted to touch on these things a little bit, and I'm sorry I haven't been able to make any video recently, and I've been working on my options tutorial. I'm trying to break it down elementary school style, so anybody can trade options and have it generate monthly income for them. Try to make your money work for you. But now I just hope that my computer is intact, because the power came off and on twice when I was trying to start it, and I hope everything is intact. Either way, I still have a lot of the notes written down, so it will be very easy to get back to making the options video. Well, thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm hoping that the power comes on soon and I can go back to creating, and I will see you all in the next video. And sorry about the production of this video. I cannot edit it or anything. I'm just going to upload it straight from my phone. Thank you for sticking with me, and blessings, guys. Blessings.